In this video, I will show you how to update Android system web view on your Google Smart TV to keep your Google Smart TV fresh and error-free as far as navigation, streaming, or anything is concerned in your Google Smart TV. So as at the time of making this video, you can also check on the screenshot of the preview right here and check on the rating about the people that have updated their Android system web view to fix whatever error they might have in their Google Smart TV. You can see Android Web Review is a pre-installed system component from Google that allows Android app to display web content. So with this update, you continue to browse and do anything with your Google Smart TV without bug, without nagging. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we'll proceed to the home page right here. On getting to the home page, you want to make sure you navigate to settings from the top right here. Then go ahead and click on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply proceed to apps right here. Go ahead and click on apps. Then you are here. What you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Google Play Store. However, if you cannot find Google Play Store from the home page right here, you want to make sure you click on See All Apps. Then here, continue to scroll down and look for your Google Play Store. If you cannot still find it right here, proceed to Show System Apps. Click on OK. And the next thing you want to do is to continue to scroll down right here until you get to Google Play Store. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on Google Play Store. Then go ahead and click on Open, just like so. Next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here, navigate to the sidebar, navigate to the profile icon, then go ahead and click on Manage Apps and Game. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down and navigate to Update right here. Then you want to make sure you look for Android System Web View. Go ahead and hit on OK. And here you go. You have available update right here. So as at the time of making this video, let's check on the time they released this, the Google released this update right here. This update was released 17th June 2026. So go ahead and click on OK and then make sure you update. Click on update. Then after a successful update, every bug and nagging in web browser navigation about your Android system on your Google Smart TV, everything is going to be fixed in a few seconds after you keep all the Android system completely and fully up to date. Allow the update to run completely. So 100%. And you are done. It's that simple. With that, you solve internet easy, without bug, without nagging. Whatever apps or streaming you are doing on your Android TV become more effective. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.